Hi, my name is Tejaswini. I'm from Bangalore. Currently, I'm working in a banking sector. Uh, this was my passion. Stitching was my passion. Hence, have selected. I searched many institute, everything to see what I wanted to learn. Then I selected dresses because I got a good reviews in Google everything. And I came here. I spoke with sir, ma'am, everybody. Then I felt okay. What I was searching for, this was the right place. This was the right place to join. Then I joined Dresses Boutique and the Dresses Institute. Then even before I had some experience in this, but it was not perfect. I wanted to learn it perfectly and professional kind of thing. Hence, I have joined the Dresses Institute. After coming here, I got that perfection and everything which I stitched was perfect. Even I have taken orders from others also, and I have stitched to them for their wedding shoots and all. Everything was perfect. Even I got my wedding dresses stitched, get it stitched here. It was perfect and everybody liked it. And the main attraction in my wedding was my dress, which gown, which was stitched by here.